Welcome to Business News Essay. Today we take a look at how to start an IT business. If you love working with computers and have the right technical knowledge, starting your own IT business can be a great idea. Technology has become an extremely important part of our daily lives, so there is always a strong demand for good IT services. With the right business plan and a quality service offering, starting your own IT business could be highly rewarding. Here are the basic steps you can follow to start an IT business. Establish your service offering. The first step to starting an IT business is to know what IT services your business will provide. This could include tech support, network installations and design, IT software installation and updates, remote admin management, hosted services, and more. It's important to choose service offerings that align with your strengths and available resources. Offer too much and you might end up spreading yourself too thin. Remember, you can always expand your service offering as your business grows. If you narrow down your IT services, you'll also be able to create a more niche business. While this might limit your number of available clients, it will help you to market to and reach those clients more effectively. Understand the market. Perform an in-depth analysis of the IT market and competition in the area you plan to operate. Your aim is to understand what IT businesses already exist and how your IT business will be able to set itself apart. Market research will help you create a unique selling proposition (USP) for your business. This is important for attracting clients in competitive markets. Create a business plan. Establish a detailed business plan for your IT business. This is basically the roadmap to how you're going to start and operate your business. The more detailed your business plan is, the easier it will be to start your IT business without any surprises along the way. Your business plan should cover what services your business plans to offer, how you plan to operate and manage the business, and what will be required to start the business. You should also include financial estimates, outline any startup capital requirements, what equipment you need, what staff you need, and so on. Establish your business structure. Figure out what type of structure your business will take. You could operate your IT business as a sole proprietor, a partnership, or a proprietary limited company, LLC. Each structure has its own pros and cons, and the right structure is determined by the size of your business and how it plans to operate. Get funding and create a budget. You'll likely need some money to get your IT business off the ground. This could be to purchase equipment, set up an office space, and cover your expenses while you start to establish your IT business. Figure out how much funding you will need and whether you will need this from an external source. If so, you could look at funding options through banks and business loans, or through private funding providers. Of course, you'll also need to create a clear and realistic budget for your IT business. This should involve how much you plan to spend to start the business, what your operating costs will be, how much you will charge for services, and what your projected revenue could be. Know where you'll be working from. The great thing about starting an IT business is that you can choose where you will be based. You could start working from home. You could offer mobile IT services, remote IT services, or base your business in an office or storefront. Market your business. Create a clear marketing plan for how you will acquire new customers and generate brand awareness. Once your business is set up, you'll need to attract customers if it's going to be a success. Establish what marketing channels you will use and how you will use them, and set clear marketing goals. This is necessary for your business growth. Hire strategically. Whether you need staff straight away or in the near future, it's a good idea to set up a hiring plan. Figure out what staffing requirements you have or will have, and be careful as to how you will fill these positions. Starting an IT business can be relatively easy to do, as you don't always need a major investment up front. As long as you have the right skills and can offer quality services, you could start and scale your business relatively easily. Carefully follow the steps above, and your IT business